Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If your EA app is not working, then watch this video to find the solution. Now if your Electronic Arts app or EA app as it is called is hanging or crashing or freezing repeatedly, then the only solution is to uninstall it and then reinstall it. So for that we need to right click on the settings button, start button, look for settings, go to apps, installed apps, and we need to search for the EA Games app. Now once we found it, right click on these three buttons here and click on uninstall. Click on uninstall once again, and then we need to reinstall it, and we'll do that by searching for EA Games app download, and we can click on the Electronic Arts button and we can click on download the EA app, download it for Windows since I'm using Windows, and then open the file and install it. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.